Hi, I'm Chef Raphael. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm cooking once again with the Jikokoa. It's part of the holiday meal series. I'm making a beef biryani, basically deconstructed beef biryani, serving it with some colored rice. So in this video I'll show you how to cook it using the Jikokoa. It's a slow cooker, basically a dish that takes long to cook. And this is perfect when you're using a Jikokoa or a Jiko like this. So the first thing when you want to light the Jikokoa is you need to fill up the charcoal, stuff the newspaper, you stuff it till the end. It's a long chamber. So light it, and it's good idea you light it from the inside, and you know it's ready when it's red hot, when all the pieces are actually burnt. So maziwa mala is what will actually be the sauce, the gravy for this dish. In fact, what you need to do at the beginning is just pour it on top of the meat. Now what mala does is it kind of also tenderizes the meat, so you can do this in advance. So if you have some garlic paste or ginger paste, you can add it at this point, now that the onion is brown. It will add some flavor. Good thing when it's a paste, it doesn't take long to cook. And add now the curry powder. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. The meat that I have is about 700 grams. So the amount of curry powder is also dependent on how much of that flavor you want. So about 3 teaspoons. You can also add more. And when it's cooked, we will add the meat. Salt. So I usually love black pepper, so I usually add black pepper to everything. I said black pepper is optional, but I'll add it to mine. And then stir. So we're going to let it cook slowly . For about 45 to 1 hour. Cover it so that it starts boiling, and then when it's ready, I'll show you how to serve it and what we do before for the vegetables. So it's ready, and you know it's ready when wow, nice, when you see the oil, you know, the oil floating on top like that. That's when you know it's ready. I added a little bit of the mala at some point. In case it dries up, you can always add a little bit of mala. This is a slow cooking dish, so Jikokoa is perfect for this dish. So what I usually do now to add more vegetables, I cook some peppers on the side until they are brown like that, and then pour them and then mix them together in the meat. And then you know it's also cooked when the meat, you need to taste the meat. If the meat is soft, then it's ready. If it needs a little bit more time, just let it keep cooking slowly. And now I'm going to serve. I'll show you how I'll serve it. So when it comes to serving, this is perfect with rice. And what I have with some rice with some color, I added some yellow food coloring, some pink. I was looking for red, I didn't find red. I had pink color, so red and yellow would be okay, and then the white. So this is perfect. Serve it on one side. Can't wait to dig in. Hope you enjoy yours like I enjoyed mine. I know I will enjoy mine because today's dish is beef biryani, a deconstructed one, that's what I would say. And then I've used the Jikokoa, perfect cooking companion, especially for this dish. This is a slow cooking dish, so when you leave it on the Jikokoa, it will just cook slowly until it's fully cooked, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So I'm signing out. This is another episode of the Holiday Meals with Jikokoa. I'm Chef Raphael. Goodbye.